Hi friends, I'm here with a short yoga offering. As always, please do what feels right for you. You're welcome to skip anything, change anything, do your own practice. You're taking really good care of yourself. I'm going to begin in down dog, so if you need more of a warm-up, do that and then join me when you're ready. You can come into downward facing dog, spreading your fingers. Maybe pedaling out the feet a little bit, bending one knee. As you press the opposite heel towards the floor, waking up the backs of the legs. And just feel what's here now. What do you notice in your body and your being? Let's lift the heels, start to tuck the tailbone, unfurl into a high push-up position. Connect your head to your heels, whole body in a straight long line. Shift forward to lower down, low push-up. And then come into your back bend. And you're welcome to take this as gently or deep as feels right for you. And then back to down dog. From down dog, let's come into a pigeon pose on the right side. Slide the right knee forward. Scoot back through the left leg. And then settle in. Feel free to use props or support in any way that feels right for you. Bring your upper body back up. Make your way to down dog, either through a vinyasa or any other movement transition. Pigeon pose, left side. Let's come back up. Make your way back to down dog. And then walk your hands and feet towards one another. Let's hang in a ragdoll. Let your upper body release. And lower the hips, malasana. You can widen your stance, turn your toes out. Feel free to use props if that's useful. Open up the knees using the elbows, roll the shoulders back. Draw the pelvic floor muscles in and up, lengthen the spine. And then release. Come back to a forward fold. Let's try interlacing fingers behind the back, wrapping arms overhead. And come to sitting. Extend legs forward. You can use your hands on your feet, on a strap, or on the floor, wherever it best supports you. Lengthen and fold. Inhale to look up. Exhale, release. Bring the soles of the feet together. Baddha Konasana. Lengthen and fold. Elbows can push into the knees, helping them open. If it works better, you can lean into your hands or elbows on the floor. Inhale to look up. Exhale, release. We'll keep the right leg where it is. Open the left leg out. Gate pose. Right arm up and over. Big reach out. And then let your head fall towards the floor. Take the right arm out and down until your shoulder drops. Press into the bottom hand to come up, and then use that hand to lift your head. Switch the legs. Other arm up and over. Big reach out. Let your head fall towards the floor, top arm out and down until your shoulder pulls down. And press into the bottom hand to come up. Use that hand to lift your head. Let's open both legs wide. You're welcome to use your hands on the floor behind you, in front of you, or come further down. Let's bring the upper body back up. Lean back, draw your legs in, little shake out. Let's come back onto our backs. Bring your knees in, take a circle or rock with your knees. Drop your feet to the floor, bridge, press feet down, lift hips high. Once hips are high enough, Interlace your fingers behind your back, shrugging shoulders underneath you, spreading upper back and lower back away from one another. Last breath here. Come down and rest. Let's take happy baby as a counter stretch. Grab the soles of the feet on the inside. Press your knees towards the floor. You can stretch the legs straight or partly straight, one at a time or together. Bring your knees in, grab hold of just the right knee, drop the left leg long, and take your right knee across for a spinal twist. Same thing other side. Bring the left knee in, drop the right leg long, take it across, twist. And back to center. So I'm going to wind down this practice. If you want to keep practicing, you're welcome to. If you're ready to wind things down with me, take the next couple moments to do anything you need to do to feel complete. And then settle into symmetrical, relaxed position. Letting go. Just a few moments of stillness, letting go of all the doing. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your wrists and ankles, and then take a big stretch out through your arms and legs. When you're ready, bring your knees in. And roll to one side, pausing there for a moment. Use your hands to help you up to sitting. And we'll bring hands together at the heart. And just take a moment to silently thank yourself for your practice. Namaste. Thank you, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me today. Thank you for your support. If you have any requests for future classes or offerings, I'd love to hear them. Have a great day.